Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss chapter 4 Carbon and its compound of class 10 term 2nd. From this chapter we have prepared top 100 questions और ये सभी क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। इनको बिना स्किप किए आपको देखना है, क्योंकि स्किप कर देंगे तो हो सकता है जो क्वेश्चन आपने स्किप किए वही एग्जाम में पूछ लिए जाए। तो आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। What is the atomic number of carbon? कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना होता है? The right answer is 6. What is the electronic configuration of carbon? कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या होता है? The right answer is 2,4. What is the valence electrons of carbon? कार्बन की वैलेंस सेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं? The right answer is 4. What is catenation? Catenation क्या होता है? It is the self-linking property of carbon. ये कार्बन की ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी होती है जिसमें एक कार्बन दूसरे कार्बन के एटम के साथ बॉन्ड फॉर्म करता है और इस तरह से कार्बन की लॉन्ग चेन बनाता है। जैसा कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, ये एक कार्बन एटम है, ये दूसरे कार्बन एटम के साथ लॉन्ग फॉर्म बना सकता है और कार्बन की इसी प्रॉपर्टी को हम कैटेनेशन कहते हैं। व्हाट इज द वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन? कार्बन की वैलेंसी कितनी होती है? The valency of carbon is 4 because there are 4 electrons in their valence shell. So carbon is tetravalent. What type of chemical bonding found in carbon compounds? Carbon compounds are formed by covalent bonding. What are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons क्या होते हैं? The compounds of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. जो compound हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन से मिलकर बनते हैं उनको हम हाइड्रोकार्बन्स कहते हैं। What are the types of aliphatic compounds? Aliphatic compounds are of two types: saturated and unsaturated compounds. Saturated में सिंगल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होता है और unsaturated में डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट हो सकता है। What are the types of cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons? ये टू टाइप के होते हैं, alicyclic and aromatic. What is the example of saturated hydrocarbons? The example of saturated hydrocarbon is alkanes. And the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. What is the other name of alkanes? Alkanes का दूसरा नाम क्या होता है? The other name of alkanes is parabens. What are the examples of alkanes? Alkanes के example क्या होते हैं? The examples of alkanes are methane, ethane, propane, butane and pentane. What is the chemical formula of methane? Methane का chemical formula क्या होता है? The right answer is CH4. What is the type of bond formed between atoms of alkenes? Alkene के atoms जो होते हैं उनके बीच में कौन सा bond present होता है? The right answer is single covalent bond. What is the molecular mass of ethane? Ethane का molecular mass कितना होता है? Right answer is 30, जिसको हम ऐसे कैलकुलेट करके आपको दिखा सकते हैं। ये इथेन होता है C2H6। इसके जो कार्बन होता है उसका एटॉमिक मास होता है कार्बन का 12, तो 2 कार्बन एटम प्रेजेंट है तो 24 इसका मास हुआ कार्बन का, और हाइड्रोजन कितने 6 और एक हाइड्रोजन का मास होता है 1, तो टोटल मास हुआ 6, तो टोटल मोलिकुलर मास ऑफ इथेन इज 30। इस तरह से आप किसी भी हाइड्रोकार्बन का मोलिकुलर मास को फाइंड कर सकते हो। व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन? अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन कितने टाइप के होते हैं? दे आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, एल्कीन्स एंड एल्काइंस। एल्कीन में डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होता है जबकि एल्काइन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होता है। व्हाट इज द जनरल केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एल्कीन्स? एल्कीन्स का जनरल केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? द राइट आंसर इज CnH2n. व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ एल्कीन्स? एल्कीन्स का अदर नेम क्या होता है? द अदर नेम ऑफ एल्कीन इज ओलिफिन्स. व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एल्काइंस? एल्काइंस का जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? द राइट आंसर इज CnH2n-2. What is the example of alkene? Alkene का example क्या होता है? The right answer is butene. What is the example of alkynes? The right answer is butane. What is the formula of methyl group? The right answer is dash CH3. It is derived from methane. What is the formula of ethyl group? The right answer is dash C2H5 and it is derived from ethane. What is the formula of propyl group? The propyl group formula is dash C3H7 and it is derived from propane. What is the number of carbon atoms found in propene? प्रोपीन में कितने कार्बन एटम पाए जाते हैं? द राइट आंसर इज 3. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ग्रुप ऑफ एल्कीन्स? एल्कीन का फंक्शन ग्रुप होता है ये. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कार्बन के साथ 2 बॉन्ड है और यहाँ पर एक कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है. इसी तरह से ये कार्बन की बॉन्डिंग भी 2 दूसरे एटम के साथ हो सकती है. व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन ग्रुप ऑफ एल्काइंस? एल्काइन में किस तरह का फंक्शन ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है? तो आप देख सकते हैं सिंगल बॉन्ड सी, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सी, सिंगल बॉन्ड. ये आपका एल्काइन का फंक्शन ग्रुप होता है. व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ हेलो एल्कीन्स? हेलो एल्कीन्स का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है R-X. व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एल्कोहल? एल्कोहल का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है R-OH. व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एल्डिहाइड्स? एल्डिहाइड का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है R-CHO. व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ कीटोन? कीटोन का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है R-COR. व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड? द general formula of carboxylic acid is RCOOH. What is the general formula of ester? The general formula of ester is RCOOR-. What are the products formed by the combustion of carbon compounds? The main product of combustion of carbon compounds are carbon dioxide and water. What is the product formed by the oxidation of alcohols? The product formed by oxidation of alcohols is carboxylic acid. What is the product formed by the reaction of alkene with hydrogen in the presence of nickel and palladium? The right answer is alkenes or saturated hydrocarbons. What are the products formed by the reaction of chlorine with methane? The main product is alkyl halide. You can see the reaction. In this reaction, methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of sunlight and to form methyl chloride and HCl. What is the example of sugar ball shaped molecule? The right answer is fullerene and it is the allotrope of carbon. What is the hardest material in the world? The hardest material is diamond. What is vinegar? Vinegar is the 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water. What is the general formula of aldehydes? The general formula of aldehyde is RCHO. What is glacier acetic acid? It is 100% pure acetic acid. It means there is no water. What is soap? It is sodium or potassium salt of long chain fatty acids. How does soap made? Soap is made by saponification process. What is detergent? It is sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. How does scum form? Scum is formed by the reaction of soap with magnesium and calcium salt present in hard water and it is insoluble in water. The reaction of acidification is the right equation of acidification is acetic acid plus ethanol react together in the presence of sulfuric acid to form ethyl acetate and water, and this reaction is called acidification reaction. What are the reactants take part in acidification reaction? The reactants take part in acidification reaction are carboxylic acid and alcohols. The alkaline acidification of esters is called saponification. A molecule of ethene has 4 single bonds and 1 double bond. Carbon found in atmosphere in the form of the carbon found in the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide is present in traces. The name of CH3CH2OH is the correct name is ethanol. What are the allotropes of carbon? The allotropes of carbon are diamond, graphite, and fullerene-60. Which monoxide of carbon is extremely poisonous in nature? The right answer is carbon monoxide. How does carbon monoxide form? Carbon monoxide is formed by incomplete combustion of carbon compounds. जब कार्बन कंपाउंड को ऑक्सीजन की इनसफिशिएंट अमाउंट में बर्न किया जाता है तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड फॉर्म होती है. Soap react with hard water to form scum. The total number of covalent bonds present in propane C3H8 the right answer is 10. Which functional group does always occur in the middle of a carbon chain? The right answer is ketonic and ester functional group. You can see the formula CH3 C double bond O CH3 and this is ketonic group and it is always present in the middle of the carbon chain. Similarly, ester group CH3 C double bond O CH3 both are present in the middle of carbon chain. Which functional group does always occur at the terminal of a carbon chain? The right answer is aldehyde and carboxylic group. They are always occur at the terminal of carbon chain. For example, CH3, CHO. You can see it is present at the terminal of carbon chain. What is the name and formula of second member of homologous series having general formula CnH2n? It represents alkene, so the second member is propene with formula C3H6. What is the name and formula of second member of homologous series having general formula CnH2n plus 2? The second member is ethane with formula C2H6. What is the name and formula of second member of homologous series having formula CnH2n minus 2? It represents alkyne, so the second member is propyne with formula C3H4. What is the name and formula of first member of homologous series having general formula CnH2n minus 2? It also represents alkyne, so the first member is ethyne. What is the name and formula of first member of homologous series having general formula CnH2n plus 2? It represents alkene, so the first member of alkene is methane with formula CH4. What is the name and formula of first member of homologous series having general formula CnH2n? It represents alkene, so the first member of alkene is ethene with formula C2H4. What is the name of process by which unsaturated fats are changed into saturated hydrocarbon? The right answer is hydrogenation. What type of bond found in CCl4? It is carbon compound, so it has covalent bond. What type of bond found in C2H5OH?
It has covalent bond.
Which gas evolved by the reaction of ethanoic acid with sodium carbonate? You can see the reaction. In this reaction, acetic acid reacts with sodium carbonate to form sodium acetate with the liberation of carbon dioxide. So the gas evolved in this reaction is carbon dioxide. What is denatured alcohol? It is the mixture of ethyl alcohol with poisonous substances like methanol, pyridine, copper sulfate, etc. What are examples of poisonous alcohols? The example of poisonous alcohol are methanol and denatured alcohols. Which is better cleansing agent than soap? Right answer is detergent. What product will formed by the dehydration of ethanol with concentrated sulfuric acid? The right answer is ethene. You can see the reaction. In this reaction, ethanol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form ethene with the liberation of water.
You can see the following structure.
In this structure, you can see carbon has 4 valence electrons, and similarly second carbon also has 4 electrons in their valence shell, and each carbon atom share one electron with another carbon atom, and each carbon atom share 3 remaining electrons with 3 hydrogen atoms. So this structure represents the dot structure of ethane. The dot structure of ethene is,
You know the chemical formula of ethene is C2H4, and you can see the following structure in which one carbon atom shared 2 electrons with another carbon atom and 2 remaining electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms. So this is the dot structure of ethene.
the dot structure of ethine is.
The given structure is the dot structure of ethine molecule.
What is the formula and structure of cyclopentane? The formula of cyclopentane is C5H10, and this is the correct structure of cyclopentane. There are 5 carbon atoms bonded in cyclic manner and to form a pentagon ring, and that's why this is called cyclopentane. What are the uses of ethanol? It is used in paint, medicine, dyes, soap, ether, chloroform, and many other preparations. Which catalyst is used for the hydrogenation of alkenes? The right answer is nickel. Which oxidizing agent is used for the oxidation of ethanol? The right answer is alkaline KMnO4. This provides oxygen for oxidation reaction. Complete the reaction. इस तरह की रिएक्शन एग्जाम में पूछी जा सकती है, जिनको आपको कंप्लीट करना होगा. The reaction is CH3COO C2H5 plus NaOH. The right answer is CH3COO C2H5. Ethyl acetate react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium acetate and ethanol. So these are the right products. Complete the reaction. Acetic acid react with sodium hydroxide. The right product of this reaction are sodium acetate and water. What is the chemical formula of benzene? The chemical formula of benzene is C6H6. What is the structural formula of benzene? There are three resonance structure of benzene. All three represent the correct structure of benzene. What is the structural formula of ester? The correct formula of ester is given below. CH3COO CH2 CH3. What is the dot structure of carbon dioxide? The correct dot structure of carbon dioxide is given below. What is the dot structure of cyclohexane? The dot structure of cyclohexane is given below, like this. C, 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 C. These are 6 carbon atoms, and there is single covalent bond between 6 carbon atoms, and each carbon atom is bonded with 2 hydrogen atoms. So you can draw the structure like this. और यदि आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन रिप्रेजेंट करने तो आप इसको इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। हमने आपको सिंपल तरीके से ये बता दिया, इस तरह से भी आप इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। What is the name of CH3Cl? The correct name of CH3Cl is chloromethane or methyl chloride. What is the name of C2H5Br? The correct name of C2H5Br is bromoethane or ethyl bromide. What is the number of covalent bonds present in C2H6? The right answer is 7. Which of the following undergo addition reaction? The right answer is C2H4, because other are the example of alkenes. They are already saturated. So only C2H4 is unsaturated compound. So this compound undergoes addition reaction. The test used to differentiate between butter and cooking oil. The right answer is bromine water test. What is the boiling point of ethanol? The right answer is 351 Kelvin. The soap molecule has a. The right answer is a hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. The product of reaction between ethanol and sodium are. The right answer is sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. Which compound undergo Briggs effervescence with sodium hydrogen carbonate? The right answer is acetic acid. A substance which gives oxygen for oxidation is called an oxidizing agent. What is the name of CH3OH? The right name of CH3OH is methanol. What is the name of CHCl3? The right name of CHCl3 is chloroform. Unsaturated hydrocarbon gives sooty flame when. The right answer is unsaturated hydrocarbon gives sooty flame when the air supply is not sufficient. These are the top 100 questions from this chapter. आप सभी इन क्वेश्चंस के अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लेना। किसी क्वेश्चन में आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं और अपने डाउट को क्लियर कर सकते हैं। यदि आपको इस वीडियो के पीडीएफ नोट्स चाहिए तो हम आपको ये ईमेल आईडी पर आपकी प्रोवाइड करा देंगे।
वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल पर पहली बार आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।